How to create crossed cables C2L and C2R. C2L and C2R are cabling stitches and very similar to cable back and cable front stitches. You won't need a cable needle to work C2L and C2R, as you will only cross one stitch either in front or behind the other stitch. First, let's look at C2L, a left-leaning cable stitch. Move your right-hand needle to the back of your work. Insert the needle into the back of the second stitch from the left needle tip and knit the stitch. Without slipping the stitch off your needles, insert the right-hand needle into the back of the first stitch from the left needle tip. Knit this stitch. Finally, slip both worked knit stitches off your left-hand needle and you've created a left-leaning cable. Next, let's look at C2R, a right-leaning cable stitch. This time, you'll move your right-hand needle to the front of your work while keeping your working yarn at the back. Insert your needle into the front leg of the second stitch from the left-hand needle tip and bring it out the back between the two stitches. Then knit this stitch. Without slipping the stitch off your needles, insert the right needle into the front leg of the first stitch from the left needle tip. Then knit this stitch. Finally, slip both worked knit stitches off your left-hand needle and you've created a right-leaning cable stitch. You can now knit right and left leaning cross cables.